Hello and welcome to Graphics Way channel. Today we learn about Mesh tool. Before start, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. Draw a circle. From the Object menu, select Envelope Distort. Make with Wrap. From the Wrap option, go to the Style and select Shell Upper. Then select Horizontal. Change the bend value to 29%. From the distortion, change the horizontal value to -26%. The vertical value to 22%. Go to the Object menu. Select Expand. Click OK. Go to Mesh tool and click above the shape. Click and select brighter color. Let's write some text. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.